We have a problem understanding the universe because things don't make sense when we only look at the matter and energy we can see, measure, or detect. Albert Einstein's theory of general relativity only makes sense if there is 5 times as much matter in the universe as we can see. This invisible matter, or dark matter, is thought to be responsible for the formation of galaxies and galaxy clusters. Dark matter and dark energy are a big mystery in the study of the universe. Dark matter pulls things together with gravity, while dark energy pushes things apart and makes the universe expand faster. We first found out about this in 1998. Together, dark matter and dark energy make up 95% of everything in the universe, but we know very little about them. So how can we study something we can't see, touch, or hear? Europe's new Euclid telescope may have the solution. Let's dive into how the Euclid mission aims to uncover the mysteries of the dark universe. But before that, I have a small request for you. If you're enjoying our videos and want to see more fascinating content like this, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Your support means the world to us and helps us bring you more captivating episodes like this one. The European Space Agency recently launched a special mission called Euclid. It's a space telescope that wants to learn more about dark matter and dark energy. The spacecraft is quite heavy, weighing 2.2 tons, and it has a telescope that is 1.2 meters long. It was taken into space by a SpaceX Falcon 9 rocket and is now traveling towards its orbit around the Sun. Originally, the plan was to launch the mission using a Russian Soyuz rocket from Europe's spaceport in French Guiana. However, because Russia invaded Ukraine, the cooperation between ESA and Russia stopped. So instead, the telescope was launched from Cape Canaveral Space Force Station in Florida. It took off at 12:11 a.m. on Saturday, July 1st. The telescope is going to a special orbit called L2, which is the same orbit used by other space telescopes like the James Webb Space Telescope. L2 is a good orbit because it is very stable, which is important for Euclid's mission to gather very detailed information about the universe. Euclid will reach its orbit within about 4 weeks. Then, it will spend 2 months getting ready for its scientific observations, which should start around the beginning of October. Euclid's mission is to study the universe by taking pictures of it. These pictures will be put together to make a map of the universe. This map will help us learn about 2 things that we don't understand very well: dark matter and dark energy. Dark matter makes up about 27% of everything in the universe, and dark energy makes up about 68%. The things we can see, like atoms and molecules, only make up a very small part, just 5%. This part is called ordinary matter. We know that dark matter and dark energy exist because of how galaxies move and how the universe expands. But they are hard to study because dark matter doesn't interact with light, and we don't know much about dark energy, so we need to look at a very big scale, like the whole universe, to find evidence of them. The Euclid telescope will look at 36% of the sky during its 6-year mission. It has a wide field of view, which means it can see a lot of the sky. Its field of view is 2.5 times bigger than the moon. In comparison, the Hubble Space Telescope can only see a small part of the sky, just 1/12 the size of the moon. Hubble can see things in great detail, like galaxies or nebulae, but it would take a very long time for it to survey as much of the sky as Euclid. Dark matter can't be seen directly, but its presence can be inferred by looking at the matter we can see. Euclid will use 2 methods to study dark matter and dark energy: weak lensing and galaxy clustering. Using both methods will help researchers get more accurate results. Using these methods, Euclid will gather a lot of data. It will take about 1 million pictures of 12 billion objects during its mission. This will bring us closer to being able to detect and study dark matter and dark energy, and understand more about the universe. Do you think the Euclid mission will provide valuable insights into understanding the dark universe? Let us know in the comments. And remember to check out our video on the enigmatic mysteries of Mars. Thanks for watching.